Hey guys, if you have already seen the title of this video, then you know what you're in for. My name is Elizabeth and I share things all health, wellness, and organizing. So today I'm going to share with you how I organize my Erin Condren stickers. All right guys, so if you have seen this in other videos, I can take zero credit for this. I can't tell you who I saw this from because I've seen it now from multiple planner girls, but in case you haven't seen this idea, this will rock your world if you love stickers from Erin Condren. So I had 3-4 sticker books from Erin Condren, and I just subscribed to her sticker subscription where they send it to you quarterly. And I had all these thinner books and I had to like flip through all of them and find them and figure out where's that one sticker that I wanted. And then I saw this idea, and I wish I could remember who, or wish I knew who came up with it first, but it's out there. So if you want to find it, I will link it in the comment section below. These books come on Amazon in a 2-pack, and it's like a photo album, but the size of it holds these Erin Condren sticker books. So I just took the cover off of this one and put it in the front, and then I put the sheets in. So now that I have them in these books that I can easily flip through, and I'll show you my small collection, what I'm able to do is see what I have, match the colors up to what I'm planning, and then use it. So as you can see, I've now really been able to use my stickers and the washi. So I'd say show you my collection, or lack thereof, right? Like I need to replenish. But I love being able to see now what I have. I love these boxes right here, and they had like a little bit of gold, and then they did them in different colors. I'm all about them, huh? They're so pretty. So it's just great to be able to see, okay, this is what I have to work with, and then make a point of using them. So here's another book. So I thought I would share this in case you just happen to miss this from other planner girls. I hope it's helpful for you because this is another book right here, another reason to celebrate. And I love these ones because they're all monthly theme. But then you're just carrying around 1 or 2 of these books instead of all of those individual ones. Here's another one, Cool for School. I love this book, especially being a teacher. It's just great. And or if you're a parent or you just love holidays, it's a great way to organize your stickers. And then these came in my most recent Erin Condren, and I ripped them out of the back, trimmed them to fit. They were a little too big for this. So as you can see, they're overlapping a little bit because I had to trim it. But I love having all my AC stickers in one spot. And so as you can see, that was like 3 or 4 books. I still have a ton of pages, and it was a 2-pack. I think it was $16 for the 2 books. And now I can just put in all my AC stickers. So I'm going to do a video how I organize the rest of my stickers for planning, including my ever expanding planner Kate stickers. If you want to see that, be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one. And then I will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye guys.